we're going to solve two more simple quadratic equations. And this time really just to highlight the two ways that we can express our answer. We can either express our answer in exact surd form, or we could be asked to round the answer either to just so many decimal places or to so many significant figures. Okay. Now, if we're not told, we can leave it in exact form. Okay. Generally, though, the question will tell you, but if the question does not tell you in what form to answer, always preferred, use exact form. Okay. But anyway, these two examples tell us which form to answer in. So the first one, 4b squared on 3 equals 25. What we're going to do, we're going to multiply both sides by 3. Okay. Now, 4b squared is equal to 3 times 25. Now, I'm actually going to keep the expression unevaluated. In other words, I'm going to keep it as in the form 3 times 25. You'll see later on why I'm going to do this. Because I want it in surd form, I'm going to have to take a square root later on. And the square root of 25 is simple enough. And also the square root of 4 is also simple enough. So 3 times 25 over 4. Okay, moving on. Going to take the square root of both sides. Okay, so b is equal to plus or minus, okay, square root of 3 times 25 over 4. Okay, which is really just plus or minus root 3, okay, times the square root of 25 over 4. And 25 on 4 is simple enough, which is just 5 on 2. Okay, so therefore b is equal to plus or minus 5 root 3 over 2. Now for part B, 7d squared minus 99 equals 0. Okay, we're just going to move the 99 over to the other side and divide both sides by 7. So d squared is equal to, actually I'll just do it in 2 steps, so just to show you a little bit more detail. D squared is equal to 99 on 7. Okay, d is equal to plus or minus 99 on 7, but it says answer to 3 significant figures. Okay, so hopefully you can remember how to do that. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just enter in the, okay, so that's 3.7606. So what I do is I'll write down the entire decimal first, okay, or at least a few more, a few digits more than necessary. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. So 3.7606, 3.7606 dot dot dot. Okay, but we only want 3 significant figures. So 3 significant figures, starting with the 3, we have the 7 and the 6. There's our 3 significant figures. Okay, so therefore d is equal to plus or minus 3.76, and that is to 3 significant figures.